Hello friends, welcome back to our universe. So hope you would have enjoyed your Diwali holidays, but now is the time to resume our learning process. So let's start guys. Today's our topic is going to be robotics. I will be explaining you what robotics is and I'll give you overview and how it works. So robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of engineering guys, which is mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and computer science engineering. Since we are talking about robotics, so let's just understand the meaning of robot. Now the word robot come from a Slavic word called robota. So that robota word means labor or work. So basically robot is just a machine which can be programmed to do the series of work or act like human. So that's what the robota means. Now here's the catch guys. Every robot is a machine for sure, but not all the machine can be called as robot. There are three parameters of robotics which is supposed to be certified by a machine to be called as robot, which is sense, think, act. These three parameters. If a machine can sense and it can think and it can act accordingly, then only it can be called as a robot. Now let me give you a detailed idea about all these three parameters of robotics. So let's start with the first one, which is sense. So sense is like as we humans sense the environment by using our sense organs. On the other side, robots also sense the environment, but by using the sensors. By using the sensors, basically it gathers the information from the environment by using the sensor and act accordingly. The second parameter is think. As we humans think by the help of our mind by using our brain, on the other side this robots thinks by processing the information and using the artificial intelligence algorithm and microcontrollers and microprocessors. By using all these things it thinks. Here where the AI plays its roles, guide. Artificial intelligence plays its role in robots as the mind. So this was the second parameter. Third parameter is act. We humans use our body parts like legs, hands, and other body parts as per the requirement, as per the need. And the robot use motors and actuators to perform the tasks and actions. Actuators are just machines which can convert the energy from one form to another. So in specifically in robots, what we are doing, we are converting the electrical energy to an actual mechanical movement. So a machine can be classified only as a robot if it can sense, if it can think, and it can act accordingly. So that was the overview about robotics, guys. And I will be also sharing my tutorial in the below link, which you can just have a look, which will give you a better idea about robotics. And please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. And you can also press the bell icon so that you can get my latest videos about futuristic technology. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. So stay tuned. Have a good day.